I basically cried that shade right out of my eyelid. Hello my dears and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Pamela and today's day 4 of my One Palette for a Week series. In case you missed days 1 through 3, I will have them linked down below for you guys if you're curious. If not, just know we are working with the ABH Soft Glam palette this week and I'm still having a lot of fun with this. Not gonna lie, I did struggle with this just a little bit today. I really wanted to work with bronze today and that color is so intense. It's probably one that you don't need to wet or anything like that. I did spray it with a setting spray just because I wanted it to stick better onto my eyelid as well as, you know, become foiled and beautiful and shiny. But man, was that one a vibrant shade. Like I was just, well, you'll just have to wait and see because I don't want to spoil like how I came to that point in this tutorial today and then how I fixed it. But again, I'm really loving this. I hate that my eye is super watery. That is my real life struggle on a day-to-day basis. So for today's look, I really wanted to do a halo eye using bronze. However, I did run into a little bit of a fail or whatever, at least in my opinion, because I felt like the colors around this halo were just not intense enough for it. I mean, you could see how vibrant that color is. And there wasn't anything that I could think of because I didn't want to go in with black, to be honest. I ended up going in with Sultry and bronze and Sultry like right next to each other. Do you see that? They are beautiful. So I don't have any more babbling to do and let's just get right into it. Yes. Okay, so I've already primed and set my eyelid. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with orange soda and I am gonna take this on a Coastal Scents BRCN06 brush and I am just going to place this all into my crease. I'm going to take the shade Burnt Orange and I'm going to use this Sedona EB15 brush and I'm just placing that in the outer edge as well as bring it into the crease and then placing it a little bit into my inner corner. Now I'm going to go into the shade Rustic and I'm going to use this Makeup Geek pointed crease brush to focus this color on the outer part of my V here as well as the inner corner. And I am picking up this color just a little bit at a time so that I can build up the intensity. I'm gonna go back in with that pointed brush and blend this out. Now I'm gonna go in a little bit deeper and use the shade Cypress Umber and I'm gonna use this on a Makeup Geek small crease brush. This is like the most perfect little brush and I am again going to start in the outer corner and then go into my inner corner with this. I'm just going to pick up a little bit of orange soda on that pointed crease brush and I'm just going to use this to blend this out a little bit since it is looking a little bit too harsh for my liking and I just want to soften that up. So now I'm going to go in with the shade Bronze and I'm going to take it on this flat shader brush by BH Cosmetics. This is the number 6 brush and I am going to wet my brush just for maximum intensity. Oh my gosh, that is crazy. That is so crazy pigmented. Oh my gosh. It's literally like gold and I'm not too sure about this look anymore. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so I'm gonna be straight up with you guys. I'm not feeling this. I feel like the center is way too intense for the matte shades on the sides. Like that bronze is like no joke. So what I thought about doing is taking the shade Sultry, which is that deep purple maroon color, and adding it to the sides because it's the deepest like sparkly shade in the palette. And I'm really hoping that I don't ruin this right now. The mess on my face is so real right now. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean up this mess, put on my face makeup, and we will return for the lower lash line, okay? Okay, so basically, now that my makeup is done, I love this. I think that this is so beautiful. Oh my god, I just can't stop looking at it. It just looks so good. Okay. Moving on to the lower lash lines. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to tight line, and then I am going to line the waterline with just a black eyeliner. And then I'm going to take the shade Burnt Orange, and I'm just going to run that on the lower lash line. I'm going to go into Rustic, same thing. And then Cypress Umber. It looks so stunning. I wanted to do the same thing I did to the top on the bottom. However, the fallout is so crazy with these two sparkly shades. I'm not gonna risk it. My makeup looks really good today, and I really love the way that this top lid looks, and the last thing I need to do is mess everything up with fallout. So I'm gonna leave it as is, and then I'm just going to add an inner corner highlight, which is going to be a combination of Glistening and Rose Pink, because I do want a little bit of that pink color, but I still want, you know, a nice bright pop. And then of course I'm gonna go in with a ton of mascara for this crazy eye look. There goes a sight from my soul. And that's all I've got for you guys today, so hopefully you enjoyed day 4 of my One Palette for a Week series. I can't believe I'm still going strong, even though I am sick this time around. If you're curious on my lips, I just went in with the lip gloss. This is the e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss in the shade Mocha Twist. It's just like a Your Lips but better, and I thought that a shiny glossy lip would just like pair so well with like these shiny glossy lids that I've got going on. So yeah, if you like this video and you are even more excited for day 5 of my One Palette for a Week series, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and spread my love for makeup, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.